To use the read aloud feature of Google Chrome, the first step is to launch your Google Chrome web browser, okay? As the browser opens, visit a web page or website with text, okay? The browser will be able to detect automatically if there is text to be read or not. So let me go to BBC. All right, so here I am on BBC website. So let me click on this. So this web page has opened. So I will take my cursor to a text on a page. Then I will right click. This will provide me with some options. I will select open in reading mode. And this has shown the text here, all right, excluding the pictures. All right. If maybe you try this for the first time and it doesn't work, please refresh the page and try it again. Sometimes when I tried it for the first time, it didn't work out for me. But I refreshed the page about 2 times, I tried again. So once you're shown this, click on this play button.
Trump authorizes deployment of 300 National Guard troops to Chicago.
Okay, you can see when you are done reading, or maybe you wanted to pause, you click on the pause button. You can see I paused that, and that's why I'm able to speak now. You can hear me. All right. So another thing you should take note of before you select the option to read aloud, please ensure that if the page is still loading, cancel it. Okay, cancel it so that you be like this on standby, so that it doesn't cause issues, because sometimes when it's still loading you may not be able to select the option to read aloud of Google Chrome. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.